Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make pepper soup and yam, which is popularly known as Ukodo in Warri Delta State. So I'll be using yam, unripe plantain, chicken, black pepper, seasoning cubes, ewe, dried scent leaves, salt, and pepper soup spice. Let's begin. So I'll start by placing a pot of water on fire, add the chicken and spice it up. I'm spicing it with the black pepper, salt and the seasoning cubes. I'm also adding this powdered ginger and garlic. I basically add it to everything I cook. It's nice. Next, I peeled the yam and unripe plantain, washed it and placed in a bowl. After leaving the chicken to boil for a few minutes, I decided to add the other spices. That's the pepper soup spice and the dried scent leaf. And immediately after, I added the yam and unripe plantain. Stirred it and let it boil. And that's all. See how easy it is to make Ukodo. So just ensure that your yam and plantain are properly cooked before turning it off and enjoy your meal. So easy. It's time to enjoy my solo meal. Feel free to join me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.